Hello, algebra students. Today we will begin factoring trinomials. So we have three things that we are factoring, and our leading coefficient is going to be 1. Next week we'll turn up the heat and make it something else. So, the box makes a return. We will be using this box. Okay? I'm going to give you, to start off, we're going to take one that's already filled in. I've already done some of the work for you. Okay? So what do I multiply to get 4x squared? Well, I know I have to multiply x times x to get the x squared, and I can multiply 2 times 2 to get the 4. Okay? Well, what do I multiply 2x by to get 10x? Well, 10 divided by 2 is 5. X divided by x is nothing. Okay? Then we have, what times 2x is 2x? Well, 1. And here's the check. 1 times 5 is 5. So my factors are 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 5. And if you want to check, you can multiply that back out and make sure it works. Now, we will not always be given a box that's pre-filled in. So we've got to know what to do. So to get started, I'm going to do my box over here if you don't mind. To get started, if you have a trinomial, you can go ahead and fill in 2 of the boxes. We have x squared and 32. Okay, well, now we have to figure out how 12 is split up. Okay? And so we do that by going, okay, what 2 numbers add to be 12 and multiply to be 32? So let's think about all the different things that we can get that multiply to be 32. So I have 1 and 32. Well, if I take 1 and add it to 32, I don't get 12. 2 times 16 is 32. But 2 plus 16 is not 12. What about 8 plus 4? 8 plus 4 is 12, and 8 times 4 equals 32. So I'll just put an x behind it and put these in here, just like that. What do I multiply to get x squared? Well, I multiply x times x. 8 divided by 1 is 8. X divided by x is 1, so that 8 stays there. 4 divided by x is 4. 4 times 8 is 32. So, here's my answer. I have x plus 8 times x plus 4. This is what my answer looks like. Okay? Let's try another one. So, I'm going to start off with the box. I'm going to give myself a little bit more room than that. Sorry. The middle number, oops, we just did that one. Okay, let's go ahead and fill in our extremes here. So we have s squared and a negative 48. Okay, remember, this is my sum, and this is my product. Okay, so remember, our products, if I have a negative product, that means I have a positive times a negative, right? And our answer is positive, our sum is positive, so I want my positive number to be bigger. What do I multiply to get 48? Well, what about 12 times 4? 12 times 4 is 48, but 12 minus 4 is not 2. Well, what about 8 and 6? 8 minus 6 is 2. Alright, so we'll put those in, and that's negative 6. Okay, s's go here. Well, 8s divided by s is 8. Negative 6s divided by 6 is negative 6. Negative 6 times 8 is negative 48. So we know that our factors are 6 plus 8, I'm sorry, s plus 8 times s minus 6. Okay? And that's all for this video. Make sure that you answer the questions that go along with this. Thank you for watching.